thing.
You're right.
You've got two. Oh. I'd love to give you a hand, but I'm just not.
You're
good
right.
at that.
You're right.
Oh, sorry. I'll turn the light off out of
Oh,
interest.
I don't want to hold his head like that. I got him.
Jeez.
I hate holding their heads like that.
Yeah,